quick video for you guys. Whenever you're cutting vinyl siding or anything really plastic downspouts, soffit vent, except not for like one by stuff like trim. Don't do this for plastic stuff like one by trim. And to get a good cut on this, you don't have to buy a special blade. You can take whatever blade you normally use. Like this is like a 60 tooth or something. It's a high tooth count. And all I did is, I don't know if you can see, but the blade spins this way. So all the teeth, I just turn the blade around so the blade's going backwards, and it's not dangerous. Wear safety glasses, obviously. But let me show you how it works, or how well it works, I should say. I'll even show you the one. This was a previous cut. See that? Yeah. That's real nice. Finally working on something at our house. This guy up. All of this is not my handiwork, so don't look around the house and be like, holy cow, this guy's awful. Look at all the mistakes he's made. We bought like a flipper special, basically. Lock in. Sweet. Nice and tight. Good cut. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.